Hello, lovely people, and welcome back in the Miyagi course. I think this is the my most favorite lesson in this entire course because it helped me to open up my mindset to abundance mindset regarding AI, and you will learn the lessons how to open this or how to train ChatGPT to give you prompts that you can give it back, and this way it will coach you. So most people use ChatGPT as an assistant that always gives prompts, and then it makes it very fast. But they never ask back what prompt should I give you. So let me show you how it works. And as you might uh, get in the learned in previous lessons, you will find all the prompts below the video. So we will talk about happiness. I think this is the most important topic in life, and it's first to learn happiness, study happiness directly, because many people do things without any rambling around, without any purpose. But it is a must to learn happiness as a study or as a topic. So describe me a happy life, and it was to read this beautiful music mosaic, and yeah, it gives you basics of a happy life, and it gives it some sort of context. The second prompt is list prompts that I can ask you to improve my happiness. So based on this one, the happy life is marked by gratitude and balance, and just a few keywords and growth and self improvement. And yeah, based on this one, I will ask it to give me ideas on the prompts I can give it to teach me how to live a happier life. So wow, it has many ideas. Can you suggest some mindfulness exercises? Can I cultivate more gratitude? What are some daily habits? What are some of the practices? And do you have any tips to building and maintaining a positive relationships, and on and on? So you can read it through. Now in this video, I don't want to waste your time. I want to teach you the basis of prompting and also the foundational skills which you can learn, which you can use in any other circumstances. When I teach you advanced things, these are the most foundational skills which you will need. So next things, can you merge it into one mega prompt? So from these 15 prompts, I ask it to give me one giant prompt or one mega prompt. And the next thing is kind of where the magic happens, I copy paste it back. So let's say this one without the beginning. Could you provide me guidance on daily habits, mindfulness exercises, and ways to cultivate gratitude, self-care, and positive relationships? Additionally, suggestions for joyful activities, stress management, physical exercises, and resources for personal growth would be appreciated. How can I develop a positive mindset, practice forgiveness, find balance, and incorporate humor and discover the purpose of my life? Let's see what it gives back. So, what happened now is that I asked ChatGPT to list me few prompts. Then I asked it to combine it as a mega prompt, and then I give it back the mega prompt. So wow, it gave me back a very useful answer. That the short bullet points, the daily habits, the positive relationships, tips about the self care and joyful activities, stress management, and exercises, and on and on. So, all the topics which we covered previously are um, in this short description. It's not so short, and here I have to mention that this is the basis how you can teach ChatGPT to give you coach you. So not just use an assistant, but also give you specific recommendations on how you can grow into your future self. And finally, I ask you to summarize it. Not just it's very long, so for me, it's hard to remember all of this, and especially those things which are not so related, so humor and daily practices and discovering purpose. It's very important that usually I summarize it in the end. But it's up to you. I just want to show you that usually you don't have to use it all, but you want to use the actionable bits. So make it very actionable. And after it summarizes the 10 bullet points, it will give me some actionable tips how I can use it. Sometimes it's very slow. I have to mention that I reached the limit, so don't worry if you reach the limit. Most of the all of these lessons in this course are based on the free version, so you don't have to pay for this. If you pay for plus membership, you get faster responses and the limits are higher, and it has a few advantages. But as soon as less and less. So I think you can learn the basics for free, and if you want, you can upgrade later. So as you might see, it changed. For example, the last one no, practice the ninth one, practice forgiveness. It give me back it give me back practices actions that I can take today. So begin each day, for example, and not just start your day. It's more broad. Instead of more broad, it give you very specific actions. So I want to show you in this lesson how you can train GPT to summarize and prompt itself, or help you to prompt itself. Therefore, it's not your assistant anymore, it's your coach, and it is amazing. So I think this is the one of the foundations that give me the abundance mindset regarding ChatGPT and AI in general. And I highly recommend you to play it around with it, because it you usually have a fixed mindset based on the language you use, and it helps you to open up your mindset and therefore see things that are not visible from the perspective of the current you want to reach the next version of you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. If you are interested in this content, me a like and comment below the video. I'm happy to hear from you.